This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust gamma in Minecraft. Gamma is a crucial setting that controls the brightness of dark areas within your game world. By increasing this value, you can make dimly lit caves, deep ravines, and even the darkest nights much more visible. This adjustment helps you spot hidden mobs, locate valuable resources, and navigate challenging terrain without relying heavily on torches. It truly enhances your exploration experience, making the game more accessible and enjoyable, especially in survival mode. Before we dive into modifying the settings, it is essential to completely close your Minecraft game. This ensures that your changes will be properly saved and applied when you relaunch. Next, you will need to locate your game's configuration files. On most operating systems, you can find these within your .minecraft folder. Once inside, look for a file specifically named options.txt. This is where we will make our adjustments. Now that you have found the options.txt file, open it with a basic text editor like Notepad on Windows or TextEdit on Mac. Scroll through the file until you locate the line that starts with gamma. By default, this value is usually set to gamma 1.0. To significantly brighten your game, change this number to gamma 10.0. You can even experiment with higher values such as gamma 100.0 for an even more dramatic effect. After you have made your desired changes to the gamma value, it is crucial to save the options.txt file. Simply close the text editor, ensuring your modifications are preserved. Then, relaunch your Minecraft game. You should immediately notice a significant increase in brightness, especially in previously dark areas. If the effect is not quite what you expected, feel free to repeat these steps and fine-tune the gamma value until you achieve your perfect level of visibility. Enjoy your brighter world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.